Hello, I'm Melinda with Mindy's Craft Shack, and I'm coming here today to how to ship your products that you make for your homemade based business. We're going to start off with getting your box together, and these boxes I actually got off of a company called Uline. You can get them off Amazon. Places like that. The tape and tape dispenser I got from Walmart. Pretty inexpensive. These boxes I believe cost, for 25 of them, it was like $17 through Uline. And they're pretty good and sturdy. So the first thing you want to do as soon as you get your box together is go ahead and line it with bubble wrap. Now I like to take pride in what I'm sending the customer, and that goes directly towards how I ship things. Today I'm shipping tumblers that I made for a customer. And what I'm going to do is I've got some tissue paper. I never ship it in the box that these tumblers come in. I think because I want my own style. I don't want to use some other commercial brand box. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some tissue paper. This tissue paper you can get at the Dollar Tree or any dollar store that you have. And I have put the cup in a bubble wrap bag, and then I'm just wrapping the cup in this tissue paper just to give it a little bit more protection. And I am wearing gloves because I don't want my fingerprints all over the tumbler itself. They've been cleaned and all that, so I just like to keep them spotless. So when the customer opens it, then they're getting a very nice, pristine cup. So I've made my stickers here, and this is what I use instead of just tape. I use these stickers that I made that have my brand on it, and that's what I use to tape down the tissue paper. And so it's nicely wrapped, and I can just stick it in the box here. And then I've got the other one. Now, because there is two, it's going to the same person. I also have these care cards that I put in with the product. And I also put in a business card and a thank you card. And I just put those in the cup and put the lid down. And then I do the same thing. I just take my tissue paper and wrap it up. Get that out of the way. And this is a good way to, if you take pride in your wrapping and your packaging, this is a good way to get good reviews. People really look at stuff like this, and so you want to, of course, find what best works for you. But I find that this really works great for me, and it just shows pride in your business. And again, another sticker. And I always make sure my stickers are up-faced. That way, you know, they can see who it's from and all that. And then I have, I always put 2 straws in, and I just kindly put those in there. And then I always send a straw brush. It's just my personal choice to do. It's a little free gift, and honestly, they're not expecting it, so it's just an extra bonus for the customer. Oh, okay, and then because there is room in here, I don't want the cups going all over the place, so I just take some of this like paper that, again, I got it at the dollar store, and I just kind of put it in there, and then it's done. You've packed your box, and you take your tape, and some people do this a couple times. I just put 1 strip of tape in there because I got this tape that has my brand on it, and it kind of decorates the box a little bit. So I really like that. So the way you use this is you just take it and I'm just going to turn this upside down just because I want the connecting pieces to be on the bottom. And so I'm just measuring it to see how much I need. And I overlap it a little bit. So I'm just going to cut it right about there. And then I take my spray bottle. You do have to get this tape wet so it sticks. And again, this is just, you know, personal preference. It's not a have to. I didn't start off doing this. I've worked my way up, and it's just what I've come to like. Probably see my dog. He likes to come and help me every once in a while. And there you go. So this box is ready to be shipped after I get the label printed out on, and then I'll just put the label going across. When the customer gets this product, they'll say, oh, it's from Mindy's Craft Shack. It must be my tumblers. I want to thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe in the below. And visit me at Mindy's Craft Shack US on Etsy, and I've also got Facebook, Mindy's Craft Shack. Thank you, and come again.